how many times I've heard, well, my HVAC contractor uses the square footage rule of thumb on sizing my system and says that I need this size system. How do you guys handle that in the field when you're having those conversations with customers to kind of debunk that and get them back on the track of faith or facts?
I mean, everything develops, everything evolves. Back in the day, that's how they used to do it. I'm sure Mr. Yoakum has gone through some tried and true ways of finding out what the correct size is for a home. Um, but here at Patriot, we kind of go the extra mile. Have invested a good chunk of change into a software company that will help us use science and numbers to make sure we're correct. So it's a much more in depth um, way of finding out for sure that we're helping the customers correctly.